let's look at different questions that you can solve in very simple time. Number 1, solve modulus of 4p minus 7 is equal to 3. So how do we solve this? Okay, or what we solve, or what we do is that step 1, when you're solving this, take the positive part first. Take the positive part and solve it. Okay, it should be 10. So your p is 5/2. The other way around, you say, or you take the negative. Okay, you take the negative again. So you solve like that, and your p is equal to 1. That's all. You've solved. Okay. Next, modulus of 2x minus 3 is equal to 4 minus x. Okay, what we do, take the positive, collect the like terms, like that. Okay, so your x is 7/3. Or take the negative. I said take the negative. So if I introduce negative the other side, so you do this, you open the brackets, 4 minus x. So this will be 2x minus 3 negative 4 plus x. So this is 2x, this x comes this side, subtract, this negative 3 goes that side, it becomes positive 3, and that gives you x, and that gives you negative 1. Question 3, express as partial fraction. Express as partial fractions. Number 1, going to put in 1 over x squared plus x. Okay, so step 1, factorize this. Factorize so that you have this. So you can write this as a plus x, sorry, a over x, and b over x plus 1. Now I always tell people to say, once you have the expression like this, just get what is on top here. 1 is equal to, then get a, ignore x, get what is here, plus b, ignore what is under b, get what is on x. That becomes your situation. Okay, so set this to 0. So set x equal to 0, find the value here. So 1 here, if I put x here, this entire term here becomes a 0, meaning I'm going to have a 0 plus 1. This will be a, meaning a is equal to 1. Set the other denominator equal to 0, meaning x is equal to negative 1. Solve again. We see that if I put negative 1 here, this term becomes 0, so I'll only focus on bx, which will be b negative 1. So 1 is equal to negative b, meaning that b is equal to negative 1. Now we've already decomposed this into this form. Okay, a over x plus b over x plus 1. If I substitute what I have, I'm going to have 1 over x, because a is 1, minus, because b is negative 1, 1 over x plus 1. And I would have decomposed. Let's look at another one. 4 oh b, if I give you 5 over x squared plus x minus 6. How do you take this into partial fractions? Step 1, check that the denominator can be factorized. Alright, find the sum is 1, the product is 1 times -6, -6. The factors, two numbers which when you add you get +1, and when you multiply you get -6, this is 3, and -2. Okay, meaning I factorize what is down here. I get x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Hence I get x there plus 3. Negative and 2 are common, so take them out. Divide, you have that situation. So we get x minus 2 and x plus 3. You factorized, so come here. This can be written as x minus 2 and x plus what? 3. Of which you can now write this as a over x minus 2 plus b over x plus 3. And at this particular stage, the question is even done. So when you have something like this, here's what you do. Get the 5, which is this side. Get the a. You know what is down. Get what is on b. Plus b. You know what is under b. Get what is under a. So you set these denominators to 0. So you say x is equal to 2. Find whatever later. So 5. If I put x equal to 2 here, this becomes 0. So I'm only dealing with what? A. And that becomes 5 because 2 plus 3 is 5. And a will be what? 1. Do the same. Set this term here equal to 0, should be -3. Should be 5. If I put -3 here, the whole term here becomes 0, meaning I'm dealing with b. So if I put -3 here, this becomes -5. So -5b. And b gives us -1. So our partial decomposition is what? 1 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x plus 3. We're done.